Stuck in a home office rut? Feeling like your setup is actively working you, draining your energy, killing your focus, maybe even making you look kinda meh? Yeah, we've all been there. But guess what? That ends today. Hey team, Alex here. Been deep in the tech trenches for over a decade, seriously optimizing workspaces. It's kinda my thing. And let me tell you, your environment, it impacts how you work. Today, I'm pumped. We're diving into 5 absolute game changers from Amazon. 5 gadgets that'll transform your home office from meh to heck yeah. Smarter, smoother, way more comfortable. Let's get you upgraded. Okay, real talk. Working from home, it's a mixed bag. Freedom, awesome. Flexibility, love it. But man, they creep up. Maybe your lighting's all wrong, giving you killer eye strain by 3 p.m. Headaches? No fun. Or your webcam. Oh boy. Does it make you look like a blurry potato? Like you're broadcasting from a cave? Not exactly projecting rockstar professional, right? And posture? Don't even get me started. Slouching over the laptop, back aching, neck stiff, looking like a human question mark by lunchtime. Sound too familiar? Yeah, thought so. It's exhausting. It kills productivity. It just sucks the joy out of it. But here's the good news. Fixing this, it's way easier than you think. Time to flip the script. Forget the frustration. Let's build a space that works for you. That boosts you up. I've hunted down 5 incredible tools, tested them myself. These aren't just gadgets, they're serious upgrades. Let's dive in and see how they'll revolutionize your workday. First up, the absolute hero for your eyes, the BenQ e-reading LED desk lamp. This thing, it's not just any light. Bad lighting, it's a silent productivity killer. Strains your eyes, makes you tired. This lamp, it's like magic. Look at this spread. No harsh spots, no dark corners, just beautiful, even light, covering your whole workspace. But here's the real win. You control it. Feeling focused? Crank up the cool bright white light. Winding down? Dial in a warm cozy glow. Tailored perfectly for you. Long hours? No problem. Your eyes will actually thank you. Less strain, less fatigue, just pure, comfortable clarity. Seriously, this lamp? Game changer for reading, writing, coding, anything. Your eyes deserve this upgrade, trust me. Alright, next pain point. Looking good on camera. Essential, right? Meetings, calls, maybe even streaming. If your current webcam makes you look washed out, grainy, or just off, time for an upgrade. Meet the Logitech Brio Ultra HD webcam. 4K resolution. Yes, real 4K, check out this comparison. Night and day difference. You look sharp, professional, like you actually care. But it's not just about pixels. That auto light correction? Genius. Sitting by a window? Backlit nightmare? The Brio fixes it. You stay perfectly lit. And the mics? Built-in noise cancellation? Dog barking? Lawnmower outside? It cuts through the junk. People hear you, crystal clear. No more, can you repeat that? This webcam? It instantly boosts your presence, makes you look and sound like the pro you are. Worth every penny for that confidence alone. Now let's talk about workflow. How much time do you waste clicking, opening apps, muting and unmuting, doing repetitive tasks? Enter the Elgato Stream Deck MK2. Okay, yeah, streamers love it. But hear me out, this thing is a productivity powerhouse for anyone. Look at it, 15 little LCD keys, fully customizable. See this button? Boom! Launches my email, calendar, and Slack instantly. This one mutes my mic and turns on my Do Not Disturb light. Need to open that specific project folder? One tap. Record a quick screen snippet? One tap. Complex macros? Done. You program it once, then it's just click. It automates the annoying stuff. Saves you clicks. Saves you brain power. Saves you time. Lots of it. It feels like having superpowers for your desk. Seriously fun and ridiculously efficient. Once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever worked without one. Audio. The other half of sounding pro. If your laptop mic sounds tinny, picks up every keyboard clack, or makes you sound like you're in a tunnel, yeah, gotta fix that. The NZXT capsule USB microphone. This sleek little guy delivers. Plug and play? Absolutely. USB-C, super simple. But the sound? Wow. Rich, full. Broadcast quality clarity. That built-in pop filter? Kiss those annoying P and B pops goodbye. Plosives, gone. And the best part? It focuses on you. Background noise, keyboard sounds, AC hum. The capsule intelligently tunes it out. People hear your voice, pure and clear, no distractions. For calls, recordings, podcasts, voiceovers, This mic makes you sound fantastic, effortlessly. It's the unsung hero of sounding professional. Finally, let's tackle the big one: posture. That backache, that neck crick, it sneaks up and it wrecks your day. Ignoring it, not an option. This little gadget, the ZL9 NSQ Wireless 3D Attitude Sensor Module, it's your personal posture coach. Tiny, wireless, super easy. Clip it on your shirt or collar. Now it monitors your spine alignment in real time. Start slouching, it gently buzzes or alerts your phone. A little nudge, "Hey Alex, sit up straight." It trains you passively, builds awareness, helps you develop good habits. Break those bad ones. Less pain, more energy, better focus. Protecting your body for the long haul, that's priceless. This little sensor, it's a total game changer for your comfort and health during those long work days. Your future self will thank you. Alright team, 5 absolute winners. The BenQ lamp for your eyes, the Logitech Brio to look amazing, the Elgato Stream Deck to work smarter, the NZXT capsule to sound crystal clear, and the ZL9 NSQ sensor to save your back. Ready to ditch the frustration and build your dream home office? I've got you covered. Check the links down below in the description. I've hunted down the best deals for you on Amazon. Seriously, grab them. You won't regret it. Smash that like button right now if this video helped you. It means the world. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. We dive deep into tech like this every single week. Want more upgrades? I've got tons coming. Most importantly, comment below. What's the first gadget you're grabbing? Or what's your biggest home office pain point? Let's chat. I read every single comment. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today, team. Seriously, appreciate your time. Upgrading your space, it's an investment in you. In your work, your comfort, your sanity. These tools, they make a massive difference. Stay tuned for the next video. We're diving deep into the world's best ergonomic chairs. Your back is gonna love it. Until then, go build that awesome workspace. Innovate, stay comfortable, and keep crushing it. I'm Alex. Catch you in the next one. Peace.